Assalamu alaikum students. In this video we are going to learn a topic from the unit Plant Anatomy and Plant Physiology. The topic of this video is about anatomy of a dicot stem. Example, sunflower. Through this video, you will learn about the different layers present in dicot stem, the role of epidermis, types of layer in cortex, and the various cells in stele, the anatomical structure of dicot stem, and how a dicot stem looks under the microscope. The first layer in dicot stem is epidermis. Epidermis is a single layer outermost cell which is made up of parenchyma cells. Over the epidermis, a layer of cell is present which is called as a cuticle. This cuticle is a protective covering for the epidermis. The next layer in dicot stem is a cortex. The cortex is divided into three layers. The first is hypodermis, which has 3 to 6 layers of cell made up of collenchyma cells. This hypodermis layer gives mechanical support to the dicot stem. Next layer of cortex is a middle cortex. The middle cortex is made up of few layers of chlorenchyma cells. In this layer, chloroplast is present. These chloroplasts are responsible for the process of photosynthesis. The third layer is inner cortex. It is a few layers of parenchyma cells. The exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen takes place in this layer. This layer also helps in the storage of food materials. The next layer to cortex is endodermis. Endodermis is a single layer of cells which is in the shape of barrel. In this layer, it contains starch grain and it is also known as a starch sheath. The innermost layer of dicot stem is stele. Stele has 3 layers. The first layer is a pericycle. The pericycle is present between the endodermis and vascular bundle. It is a multi-layered parenchymatous. The next layer in stele is vascular bundles. The vascular bundles are xylem and phloem, which are conjoint, collateral, endarch and open. These vascular bundles are arranged in the form of a ring around the pith. The last layer in stele is pith. Pith is a large zone located at the center of the dicot stem with intercellular spaces. The pith is made up of parenchymatous cell and also used for the storage of food materials. This is a microscopic image of a TS of dicot stem. You can see the white cells at the center, which is the pith. It is a large portion of a TS of dicot stem, and you can see the vascular bundle which are arranged in the form of ring around the pith. Let's take a quick view about anatomical structure of dicot stem. The outermost layer of dicot stem is a epidermis, which is covered with a cuticle, and the second layer is cortex, which is divided into three regions: hypodermis, middle cortex, and inner cortex. The next layer to cortex is endodermis, which is single layered cell, and the next layer to endodermis is a pericycle, which is present between the endodermis and vascular bundles. The vascular bundles are xylem and phloem, and the last layer to dicot stem is a pith. The pericycle, vascular bundle, and pith collectively called as a stele. This is the anatomical structure of a dicot stem. In this video, we have learned about the layers present in the dicot stem, which is epidermis, cortex, which is divided into three layers: hypodermis, middle cortex, and inner cortex; endodermis, stele, which are divided into three: pericycle, vascular bundle, pith. The vascular bundles are xylem and phloem, and lastly the microscopic view of a dicot stem.